Mastering Prometheus and Grafana Dashboards. Comprehensive guide to setting up, integrating, and customizing dashboards. Begin by installing Prometheus on your server. Configure the YAML files to define data sources and set up node exporters to collect metrics. Verify that data collection is functioning correctly. Install Grafana and add Prometheus as a data source. Test the connection to ensure data flows smoothly from Prometheus to Grafana, enabling seamless visualization. Create new dashboards in Grafana by adding panels for various metrics. Customize the panel settings and organize them to ensure clarity and ease of understanding. Utilize PromQL to extract and manipulate data for creating graphs. Write queries that target specific metrics and optimize them for better performance. Configure alert rules in Grafana by defining conditions for triggering alerts. Set up notification channels to monitor critical metrics in real time effectively. Thank you for your time. You can find the content, examples, and our contacts in the video description. If you like this, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We create video series for product, brand, and tech promotions. Feel free to reach out.